My name is Sean Taylor, owner and director of Zip World, based in sunny Bethesda in Gwynedd, North Wales. We are the longest series of zip lines in the Northern Hemisphere, the fastest in the world and one of the highest in the world. We're fortunate enough to achieve grant funding from the Welsh Government through the Wales Growth Fund to the level of £240,000. We realised we needed financial support at an early time. It wasn't just a case of strapping one wire from A to B. It's all the technology to make it successful and, more importantly, to make it safe. So we then realised we did need financial support. I got the information, believe it or not, from the Daily Telegraph. It was at the bottom of the Daily Telegraph. And I saw Welsh Growth Fund and I thought, wow, fantastic. The intervention rate was great, 50%. Did some research, and I know you have to work hard to get these grants, but it wasn't too difficult and the process was very smooth. First of all, you've got to sell your idea. You know, the decision makers aren't going to support a white elephant. So first of all, the idea's got to be sound. Then your figures have got to add up in your business plan, and you've got to give these people who make a decision the confidence that they're choosing the right person to carry it through. When we got awarded the grant by the Welsh Government, it just meant that sometimes it's a lonely place in business, and it just meant someone has got the confidence in you to support you from something that hasn't been done before, and that is very, very satisfying. It's very humbling as well. I'd encourage people to go for the Growth Fund if they're serious about their startup or growing their business, but in a serious undertaking, you are spending taxpayers' money. So there's a level expectation there from people that you're going to deliver a result. There's no way we'd have been operating in 2013 if we hadn't have had the level of support through the Growth Fund. If we hadn't have had this funding, we simply would not be operating now. So all these jobs, we've created 40 jobs here. All the secondary spend in the local restaurants, bars, accommodation just wouldn't have happened. The support I get from the Welsh Government are absolutely fantastic. I've got colleagues in England who don't get any support at all. And it just means that we're in the position now, it's accelerated the process of what we would have achieved. And I feel we do Wales really, really proud what we've achieved here so far and what we're going to achieve in the future. We are going to brand it the world capital of ziplines.